This is a bird, written by Karen Page. This is a bird. All birds have feathers and all birds have beak, but all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp. Its feathers are black. It's black and white. It's an emperor penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It's a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is shaped and hooked. Its feathers are black. It's a turkey vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and flat, and its feathers are brown. It's a meadow duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are brown. It's a thrasher. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are red. It's a camden. It is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and gray. It's a constant human bird. In some way, all birds are the same. All birds have beak, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too.